Assess on the Go. This is my first video, and today I'm going to cover the unboxing of Samsung Tab S7. I just received this beauty and I'm going to open it in front of you and look at what all it contains and talk about a couple of things that I have noticed regarding the Samsung Tab S7 while making a decision about the purchase. So I'll just be opening the box. For people who are unaware of what all Samsung Tab S7 offers, it's basically a direct competitor to the iPad Pro 2020. It has all the features, almost all the features that iPad Pro 2020 offers and more. And today in this video, we'll try to explore some of them and we'll do a more hands-on review later on when I have had some time to go through all the features. So there are two versions of the Tab S7 available in the market. One is a Wi-Fi version and the other is the 4G LTE version. This in front of me is the Wi-Fi version. Apart from this, there is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which has a larger screen, which is a competitor to the 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2020. I'm just going to pick this up. My first impression is that this is very, very light and very sturdy, very premium to hold. Let's look at other accessories inside. There is the Samsung Galaxy low latency S Pen with a latency of 9 milliseconds. Feels very nice in the hand. This in front of me is the fast charger. It's a 45 watt charger, I think. Apart from that, I see that there is a charging cable. Yeah, that's the charging cable. Simple. It's a USB Type-C charging cable. Then there is the manual, I think. This should have the warranty card and your instruction manual. They also have given me in the box a pin to open the side slot. In the 4G LTE version, of course, that side slot would have the functionality to insert the SIM. In this version, probably they have the micro SD card slot over there, which we'll come to in a while. Because I pre-ordered it, I thought there would also be a screen protector, but it was not there. And although it's a bummer, that's fine. This device actually feels very light in the hand. It's about 500 grams, I think. The Wi-Fi version and the LTE version both weigh almost the same for all intents and purposes. The S7 Plus is about 100 grams heavier, but that's to be understood with a larger size. I'll just open this right away. And here it is. Pretty. Feels very premium is what my first impression is. So this S7 Wi-Fi version has an 11-inch LTPS LCD 120 Hz refresh rate screen, which is actually pretty good. The 12-inch version has an AMOLED screen, which is slightly better, but this is a gorgeous screen to look at. If you can see, there's a camera bump at the back. There is also this place right below it where the S Pen snaps and charges as well. So let's look at the ports now. So this device supports USB Type-C charging, which is fairly good in 2020. There are 4 speakers at the top and at the bottom. That's the microphone. The camera bump we have already seen. The front camera, interestingly, is on the side, which is a very good design decision according to me in today's time. That's the Samsung S7 keyboard connector. That's the keyboard book cover connector, and it directly snaps. No need for a Bluetooth connection or anything. Apart from that, you can see the power button, which also houses the fingerprint scanner and the volume rocker, and that's the micro SD slot. So the micro SD slot and LTE devices would also have the SIM card slot, of course. And that's a fairly good place, fairly consistent. And that's the second microphone, which is great. So I'll just try and turn on the device. I'm pressing the power button. And there it is. I'll be doing a more hands-on review after I have spent some time with the device. I'll put it on the same channel, Assess on the Go, If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications when I post that video. You can also follow me on my blog ssonthego.com where I review other gadgets. For now, this is it. Keep watching this space for more videos. This is Shekhar saying bye from ssonthego.com.